Did you know that non-compliance can cost businesses millions in fines and reputational damage? Navigating the ever-changing regulatory landscape is daunting, but crucial for survival in today's competitive business world, and sometimes the reputational damage is far worse than the fines. Many businesses struggle to keep up with evolving regulations. The complexity and pace of change can overwhelm even the most diligent teams. Are you prepared to face these challenges head-on? Arrakis Consulting offers tailored managed services to meet your compliance needs. Our expert team simplifies and streamlines your compliance processes, ensuring you stay ahead of regulatory changes. With Arrakis, you're not alone. We provide guidance and support every step of the way, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business. Our experts stay updated with the latest regulatory changes, so you don't have to. We handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to concentrate on your core business activities. Our services are customizable to fit your specific industry requirements. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, or any other sector, we've got you covered. Hear from businesses that have successfully navigated compliance with our help. A financial firm reduced compliance costs by 30% using our services. Imagine what we can do for you. Testimonials from satisfied clients highlight our expertise and support. They value the peace of mind that comes with knowing their compliance is in expert hands. Save time and resources by outsourcing compliance tasks to us. Reduce the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. Gain peace of mind knowing your compliance is expertly managed. By partnering with Arrakis, you help ensure your business is always compliant, allowing you to focus on growth and innovation without the constant worry of regulatory pitfalls. Visit our website at arrakisconsulting.com to explore our managed services in detail. Contact us for a personalized consultation to assess your compliance needs. Together, we can achieve compliance with ease.